Today we'll be taking apart this jammed water pump. This is from a BMW 320i with an N20 engine. Start off by removing the 5 bolts that hold the water guide in place. Once all the bolts have been removed, you will need to use a rubber mallet to give it a tap in order to loosen it. It's quite clear that this water pump is jammed. As you can see, when trying to turn it, it is completely locked. Next, we will remove the electric connector housing. Start off by removing these 2 bolts that hold the back cover in place. Be careful when prying it off, as there are 3 metal connectors. After I removed this back connector, I managed to free up the water pump. After installing it back into place, you can see that now we've got free movement on the water pump head.